Hello, so this is the JVC Everio. It is more slicker than the usual older version DV, but this one uses SD card. Okay, so you have to insert SD card here, which is included, and then just start shooting lah. And when you transfer, just use the SD card. So maybe the downside of this is that, you know, sometimes SD card is not as stable and it doesn't have as much storage as the HDD, but the better upper side is that it's very sleek and pocketable. Okay, and then to turn it on, just open it like that, press this, also flippable. Okay, zoom in, zoom out, loading block, pressing this video, end video. The modes also you press here, auto, manual. Okay, and then this is the user button. This is change to picture mode. After you change to picture mode, then you press okay, you cannot use manual, you can use this, so you oh yeah, sorry, snapshot is this one, that one is video. So snapshot, you press this. Okay, and then turn back to video mode, just press this. Okay, and then when you're done, press it again, and then this is the information menu. Okay, so technically that's it lah. Also very easy to use. If you want to buy this, I'll change it to English menu. Thank you. To turn it off, press this like that. Thank you.